Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of connecting a custom domain to your Google site. If you're ready, let's get started. Click on the Settings gear icon. Click on Custom Domains, click on Start Setup. Enter your domain and click Verify your ownership. Click Continue. Copy the verification code provided. Now go to GoDaddy.com, click the Sign In button. Log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the Domain tab. Next to your domain, click the Manage DNS button. Click on Add New Record. Select the type as TXT record. For the name, type @ Paste the copied verification code into the value field. Leave the TTL on default and click Save. Return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Be patient. The verification process may take some time to work correctly. Once it's verified, click Done. Now, go back to your Google Sites dashboard. Click on the Settings gear icon. Select Custom Domains. Enter your domain and click Next. Copy the value provided. Then head over to your GoDaddy dashboard. Click Add New Record again and select the type as CNAME record. For the name, type www. Paste the copied value into the data field. Leave the TTL on default and click Save. Now, if you get an error when trying to save the required record, it means that you need to delete the existing record that may already be added to your DNS records. So make sure you either delete that TXT or CNAME record or update the existing TXT or CNAME record with the new details that were just shown in this video. Return to the Google Sites dashboard and click Done. If everything is set up correctly, your website will be successfully verified. It's important to note that it can take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect, so be patient. Once the changes have propagated, you'll be able to access your Google site using your custom domain. You can check this by entering your domain name into a web browser and seeing if it redirects to your Google site. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.